All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to work through our series circuit and parallel circuit for the test review. So the important thing to remember is what type of circuit is this? It's a series circuit. There's one path. So in a series circuit, your total resistance is the sum of the resistances, and your total current is equal to the current in R1 is equal to the current in R2 is equal to the current in R3 because it's a series circuit. And finally, you're going to need to use your formula voltage in R1 the voltage in R2 plus the voltage in R3 is equal to the total voltage. You'll also use V equals IR, or perhaps I equals V over R, or R equals V over I. So you want to start with those formulas, and we'll use them again down here. Your total voltage is this value here, so that's 12 volts. That's a very simple answer. Your total resistance is the sum of these, so RT equals 700 ohms plus 365 ohms plus 270 ohms, which is 700 plus 365 plus 270 gives us a value of 1,335 ohms. And in sig figs, when you're adding them, you don't really need to use sig figs, to be honest with you. I think I may not have told you that before. So we could say is one significant digit, so it'd be 1,000 or 1 kilo ohm, but we're going to go ahead with 1335 ohms. And our total current is our voltage total divided by our resistance total. So 12 volts divided by 1335. And that has 2 sig figs, so my answer will have 2, and that is 0.008988764045 amps. And 2 sig figs means I'm going to say, we'll round that up because it'd be these two. That's an 8, so that rounds that up, which rounds that up essentially. So 0.0090. So I have 2 sig figs, right? And that is amps, or we could say 9 milliamps, right? 9.0 milliamps. And because my current is the same throughout, I know that this means this is 9.0 milliamps, this is 9.0 milliamps, and this is 9.0 milliamps. Voltages is equal to VR1 equals IR1 times R1. So in this case, 0.00898876. Again, you don't use a rounded value when you do calculations. Continued, 4045 times 700, which equals 6.2921 volts, or in sig figs, we have one significant digit, so or 2, but 1 for 700, so our answer should be 6 volts. I'll do the same thing. VR2 will be the 0.008988764045 times 365, and that gives me 3.28 089 ... volts. And again, 3 sig figs. This one came from 2 sig figs, so my answer will have 2, and I'll go with 3.3 volts. And finally, 270. VR3 equals 0.008988764045 times 270. which gives me 2.426966 volts, and again 2 sig figs, so 2.4 volts. Thank you, and as always, punch that like button and subscribe away and holler at your boy in the comments. Thank you very much. Oh no.